In this slide, we are looking at a range of wooden pallet designs, each suited to specific handling, storage, and load requirements. Let's begin with the most basic distinction: the entry type. Pallets can either be two-way or four-way entry, which refers to the number of directions a forklift or pallet jack can access the pallet. On the top left, we see a two-way entry reversible pallet. This type is symmetrical and has decks on both the top and bottom, which makes it strong and durable. However, it is heavier and more material intensive. Next is a two-way entry pallet with a closed boarded top and no baseboard. This design provides a stable top surface while minimizing material use underneath. The third in the top row is a wing-type two-way entry pallet, where the top deck extends beyond the stringers. This provides extra support for larger loads, but may require more space. In the second row, we transition to four-way entry pallets. The first is a closed boarded version with 3 base runners. This is a very common industrial pallet, offering strength and forklift access from all sides. Next to it is the standardized 1200 by 800 euro pallet, which is widely used across Europe and conforms to the EPAL specifications. Then we see a four-way entry pallet with a perimeter base. This design is particularly suitable for conveyor systems, as the full frame offers good support and load distribution. The last row shows additional four-way designs. The wing-type version offers the same advantages as before, but now with full forklift access. The closed boarded perimeter base combines high stability with durability. And finally, we have an open boarded version with 3 base runners, which allows for reduced weight. On the right side, we see a different concept altogether: the IKEA pallet. This is a lightweight, single-use design developed to minimize transport costs. Looking at the blocks underneath, you can imagine this doesn't run on conventional roller conveyors, and given its stability, or lack thereof, it probably shouldn't be used on chain conveyors either. It is cheap, but it will fall apart easily, pretty much in line with IKEA's product portfolio. This slide is just to give you an idea of the wide range of different pallet types, and these are just a few. The most common type you will find in Europe is the Euro pallet. It is a standardized pallet and conforms to the EN 13698 standard series, which specifies the dimensions, tolerances, and quality requirements. In addition to the IKEA pallet, there is an unlimited number of customized pallets built to meet very specific industrial requirements. Sometimes these pallets are only used within one company. Whenever you plan a logistics system, it is imperative you identify all the different pallet types that will be present in that system. The pallet type determines the rack setup, the space you need to foresee for storage on the floor, the tools you can use to lift and move the pallet, and so on. And as always, the fewer different pallet types, the easier the engineering of the system will be. On this slide, we take a closer look at the structure and standard dimensions of the Euro pallet, officially defined as the EUR pallet or EPAL pallet. It measures precisely 1,200 millimeters in length and 800 millimeters in width, in accordance with the European standard EN 13698-1. This standard ensures dimensional consistency and load-bearing capacity across all EPAL certified pallets, making them suitable for automated systems and international pooling. Let's start with the top view in the lower part of the slide. The Euro pallet consists of 5 top deck boards, which are nailed to the blocks and serve as the main load-bearing surface. The outermost deck boards on each side are referred to as lead boards. These are slightly wider than the central ones and are designed to protect the pallet during handling and improve structural integrity when engaging with forklifts or conveyor systems. The side view in the middle shows the symmetrical arrangement of the blocks, which provide vertical support and spacing for forklift tines. Each Euro pallet contains 9 solid wood blocks, 3 rows of 3, placed at standardized positions. These blocks are connected by 3 stringer boards running lengthwise. The stringers not only stabilize the pallet, but also provide a surface to which the bottom and top deck boards can be attached. The bottom view on the left highlights the 3 bottom deck boards. These are placed perpendicular to the stringers and ensure a flat and stable base for transport and stacking. This configuration allows for full 4-way forklift access, which is a key advantage in terms of handling efficiency. The rendering in the upper right corner provides a 3D visualization. Note the EPAL and EUR markings on the blocks. Only licensed manufacturers are allowed to use these stamps, ensuring compliance with technical specifications and quality standards. Each component, deck boards, stringers, and blocks has precise dimensions as detailed in the annotated diagram.